Hello friends, welcome back to the channel for yet another exciting unboxing video. Today, we'll be unboxing one of the best budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch under 3000 rupees. I have checked a lot of smartwatches, under budget as well as premium category from brands like Bolt, Firebolt and Noise. And after going through lot of reviews on the YouTube, have finally bought this smartwatch from Flipkart as it ticks most of check boxes. So I thought it to be a good deal to buy these smartwatch for testing during the ongoing Diwali sale. This watch has some cool features which we will discuss one by one later on in the video. So if you are planning to buy or already purchased this smartwatch, then do watch it till the end because I will give your proper review after testing and also in hand feel so you can explore all the features of this smartwatch. But, before I get started, if you are new and first time to this channel, then subscribe to the channel so that you will receive our latest tech unboxing videos from time to time as soon as they are uploaded. And do watch the video till the end so you don't miss any of these interesting features. So without wasting time, let's get started. So on the box you can see the Pebble branding with the picture and name of smartwatch Pebble Cosmo Ultra mentioned along with the key highlight of this watch, that is 1.91 large bezel-less display. On the side you can find information about the application you need to download called FitCloud Pro, which supports both Android and iOS. The back side of the box gives you the key features and specifications of the smartwatch, which I will explain further in the video. You get 1 year replacement warranty, so if you face problems you can easily get it replaced by the company. This is Pebble's one of the premium smartwatches called Pebble Cosmo Ultra. The smartwatch is priced at 2,999 and can purchased online from Flipkart. The smartwatch is available in 4 different colors, that is black, beige, blue and green. These days most of smartwatches coming above 2000 rupees price range have Bluetooth calling feature, so also this smartwatch. As you open this box you can see first the smartwatch itself. Let's keep it aside and check the other contents of the box. Here you will find some paperwork about warranty and user manual, and finally a charging cable to charge your smartwatch. Also you will find a screen protector and some wipes to apply it, which is pretty cool. So now let's talk about the main smartwatch itself. You can see a massive 1.9-inch edge-to-edge display, and because of the thin bezels the watch looks very premium on the hands, and the raise to wake feature works very well. It comes with a metallic frame body which gives it a very premium feel. Even having metal body you don't feel it very heavy as it weighs just under 60 grams. On the top you find a 2.5D curved glass. From the side you can see the watch is very slim compared to other smartwatches in this category. On the left side you find a speaker grill, and on right side you find a rotating crown which is also in metal, a fully functional one, and a small hole for microphone. Obviously for calling. On the back side you can see all the sensors with glass finish. Coming to straps, you get 20mm replaceable silicone straps which are very soft and quality is decent. And even the buckle you will find a proper metallic one. Definitely you will get impressed with its build quality in the display. The watch feels very solid and super premium in the hands, with the metallic look similar to Apple Watch. And while wearing, because of the silicone soft straps, it feels very comfortable in hand and suitable for anyone who is looking to wear it for long hours of the day. Definitely you will get impressed with its build quality in the display. My initial impressions about the display is the display is very bright and crisp, and being largest display in the segment with minimal bezels on the edges, the watch gets killer looks and like a very premium watch. Talking about the interface, the UI is very smooth, responsive, fast and a lag-free one. You get around 10 inbuilt watch faces to choose from, which you can expand from 100 plus watch faces available in the FitCloud Pro application. If you want to change the watch face, you have to just press and hold and then choose. Pressing the crown button will show you the menu and can be used for zooming in and out of the honeycomb view. If you swipe from top you will see quick toggles button like brightness, system information, watch settings, call settings, smart lock option, music controls, and voice assistant. If you swipe from left you will see the recently opened applications. If you swipe from right to left you will see all the shortcuts. You can add many more by simply tapping on the plus button. And last, swiping from bottom will show you all the recent notifications and messages from your phone. For changing the menu style, you get option to choose from 10 different styles like honeycomb, circular, list and grid. In the menu you can see features like dial, contacts, call records, voice assistant, data, workout, heart rate, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, messages, weather, music controls, female menstrual cycle, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, games, business card, find phone and finally watch settings. If I talk about workout modes, you get more than 100 workout modes which are more than enough for tracking your sports activities. Even though it is IPS display, it is bright enough and can be viewed clearly in outdoors. And friends, you also get always on display which is visible only when you are charging the smartwatch. This watch support IP67 ratings, so you don't have to worry about watch getting damaged from water. But I will certainly not recommend you to use it while swimming. You have to download FitCloud Pro application for syncing it to your phone. As soon as it is connected, you will be able to see interface like this. The app interface and UI is very clean and simple. On the first page you can see health related details, and on the second page you see the device settings. In device settings you can edit the notifications settings, check out the dial library. You get 100 plus watch faces and also add a customized watch face. Also activity reminder, drink reminder, raise to wake and find watch settings can be accessed from here. And friends, talking about some extra features, you get 2 inbuilt games. Set up alarm clock, timer and also stopwatch. You also get Find My Phone feature in the smartwatch. Apart from that, you also get a calculator. If you have to do some calculation, you will also be able to do it on the go. You can change the music from the smartwatch. You get to play, pause and change the soundtrack. The sound output is pretty loud and decent enough. Now coming to calling feature, here you can answer or reject the call, but you cannot silence the call. I can recommend to take call while indoors but avoid answering calls in outdoor conditions. And this is the call quality of the smartwatch.
Welcome to Jio. आपने अपना दैनिक हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट कोटा का 100% उपयोग कर लेने पर आपकी डेटा स्पीड कम कर दी गई है। आपकी हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट रात्रि 2 बजे रीसेट कर दी जाएगी। कृपया ध्यान दें, आप कम स्पीड पर YouTube, जियो टीवी, जियो सिनेमा और अन्य ऐप्स पर बिना रुकावट वीडियो नहीं देख पाएंगे।
And coming to health monitor, you will be able to see heart rate monitoring, SpO2 and also blood pressure. When coming to accuracy of these sensors, you get close to accurate readings. But as I say, you cannot completely rely on the smartwatch but get yourself checked by using proper medical equipments or from a qualified doctor. When coming to the battery, you get to see a battery backup of 2 days with calling features on and 7 days of battery backup without calling features and notifications turned off. So all these were the details of this Pebble Cosmo Ultra smartwatch, and if I have to rate this smartwatch from 10, I would give 8, as this smartwatch is really value for money product coming with lots of features. The only negative thing or drawback of this smartwatch is that it comes with its display. They should have given at least an HD display or a AMOLED display. Other than that, I don't see any other weaknesses of this smartwatch. So finally, if you have any questions or queries, you can message me in the comment section and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. So if you're interested in buying this smartwatch, then the buying link is given in the description. The smartwatch gets out of stock, especially the black edition one, very fast, so you have to buy quickly as soon as it's available. That's it in this video of unboxing Pebble Cosmo Ultra smartwatch. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel, and if you found it useful, then press that like button. Also forward it to your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Keep watching.